Hello friends, you are watching Exotic Point. I am Shilpa here today. So friends, yesterday we completed the affirmative segment of direct and indirect narration, and today we are going to complete interrogative. Friends, I am not getting your comments. I think you are not taking interest. If you are not taking interest, how you will go through the same topic of direct and indirect narration? So this is necessary. Please keep commenting and see the video for your own convenience. Okay students, so we start direct and indirect narration. Today we are going to do interrogative. It is very important segment, so don't be a little less conscious. See, interrogative. What is the difference between affirmative and interrogative? In affirmative you have to do interrogative, it just a little bit difference. In affirmative you have to change sat to into told and said nothing, but here sat to and said you have to change into asked. Okay, and connect both parts by using if or whether, but in previous affirmative you have to connect it with by using that. This is the difference. And one more thing, the interrogative segment, wherever you are going to get in reported speech, by connecting if and whether, you have to make the sentence simple. That's the easy way to solve direct into indirect narration in interrogative. See, Alexa said to me, did you not listen? Alexa is a girl. Alexa asked me if. The same is here. Firstly, check out, it's in past indefinite, and past indefinite has a change into past perfect. So, did you not listen? If I had not listened. Okay, the same rules will be followed. Remove all the commas, tense changes same, certain changes same, everything is same except said to into asked, and connect by using if or whether and make the sentence simple. See, if I had not listened. Clear? The next is Remo said, was I shouting yesterday? Then it will be Remo asked. If was I, it will be same, the simple sentence, and past continuous into past perfect continuous. So was I shouting yesterday? He had been shouting the day before or the previous day. Both are applied, I told you already. Number 3, Sam said to Nancy, can I help you? The answer is Sam asked Nancy if he could help her. Be conscious about the subject, that's male or female. I have told you 2 or 3 times also. Number 4, Ria said to the students, were you absent? Ria asked the students if they had been absent. You into they, because they are students and they are plural. Jack said to Millie, do you live here now? Jack asked Millie if she. You second person and Millie is second number, and second number is feminine gender, so you have to change you into she, present indefinite into past indefinite, here into there, now into then, and don't be confused about the spelling of then. THEN is correct spelling, AN is incorrect spelling. Number 6, she said to them, had you gone Goa? She said to them, had you gone Goa? She asked them if they had gone Goa. Here you will see that, ma'am, you have changed you into they, but there is no change. So please students, be attentive, because there is no change in past perfect. Okay. The last one is, he said to me, I shall not come tomorrow. So he told me that he would not go the next day. Students, this is the moment of confusion. Most of the time it happens that the sentences, the narrations come in a mixed manner, and students have a confusion that they are going in the same scenario and they just make the narration into interrogative. So this is the point, this is the fact about which you have to be very conscious, because the sentence, he said to me, this is not interrogative. I shall not come tomorrow. In the same format, according to the same rules and regulations, we have to make, he told me that he would not go the next day. Okay, he, I, he, here shall into should, so he will, would not come into go, tomorrow in the next day. So students or my dear friends, I am telling you again and again, wherever the difficulty is, you leave your problems in the comment box. I appreciate your thank yous, your welcomes. Okay, so don't forget to leave the comments and subscribe if you have liked, and share your friends. Stay healthy, stay at home. Thank you very much to give your expensive time. Thank you very much.